you hear something?
Yes.
I hear the bird's voice.
Help me! A very bad guy made us stuck in the castle. We very need to get out of here. If we need to get out of here, we need to find 4 crystals of love and kindness.
Of course, little cute parrots, we will help you get out and find the 4 crystals of love and kindness.
Yes, little sweetie bird, we will help you.
Guys, do you think we could help the birds find the way out of the castle?
Birds, I will get you some food, but could you tell us where would we find the 4 keys of love and kindness?
Eat,
little birds.
Girls, the crystals are in a special garden full of beautiful flowers.
We're gonna help you, sweet little birds. Sis, do you have an idea where those beautiful flowers are?
Let's our parrots say so they help us where there's beautiful flowers.
Yeah, we will have to talk to them way more, but I feel like we can make a plan.
Yeah.
Do you think that's gonna be good, little birds?
Yes, of course. Oh, now I'm gonna look around the castle. Out the window was so cool. And what is there down? What are you eating? This is me eating right here. How are you doing up there? I don't think I'm gonna eat right now. I'm good. I'm very hungry.
Mariana, now we will go to find the crystals.
Yes, Arena, we have to hurry.
Yeah, friends, are you ready to help us?
So where are the beautiful flowers? I don't know. Let's try to find them.
Yes, that's a great idea. Let's go search.
I found one. I found one. I found one. Look.
There are the beautiful flowers. Oh, I found the crystal. There's one more.
I found one. Wow. Wow. Look. Oh wow, look how sparkly. And when the sun comes in, it starts to be like a little bit orange. Now that we find the crystals, we have to hurry and help our parrots.
And now we will help our little cute guys
Yeah.
to turn them back to themselves. Look, that I have a cute little pocket for them so we don't lose them.
Yeah. Because while we run to hurry, they can be lost.
Yeah, let's go. Look, I'm so happy we found the crystals.
Look, little birds, we find the crystals.
Sorry, girls, we forgot that to make the crystals real and alive, you have to sing a love song. Mariana, do you know any song of love?
Maybe it will go like this. I can't stop to love us. love us.
Now we will start to sing it so the crystals will come alive for our little friends.
Yeah.
I can't stop the love from you. Wow, look at the crystals. They're getting alive. Friends, now you're gonna come back to yourselves.
Yeah.
We're gonna miss you guys.
Yeah, boy.
Little cute buddies. We're so happy we could go back to the wild.
Thank you, girls. We will definitely come back.
Thank you. We also loved the treats you gave us. Now we're happy. Thank you.
And we're not hungry anymore.
Archie, let's go.
Yeah, Ricky, come on.
Let's go back to home. Flybirds.
Flybirds.
Mariana, we had a very big adventure today.
Yes, it was very fun. I'm gonna miss the little birds.
Guys, did you like our adventure at the magic house with our parrots?
I really like to put on the light.
And subscribe for more videos.
Bye.
And we're gonna keep playing in our castle.